Hey everyone, so today's Sunday. It's my mom's birthday. I took her to church and then took her shopping for some new summer clothes. And now I'm taking the dogs for a walk. It's been raining for quite a lot of days, and so I just want to get the dogs out and get them out for a walk. Hopefully they don't get too muddy, but so we're on our way. Well, I was afraid it was going to be kind of wet here because we've had so many days of rain, but the canal path is so boring, and I don't know, I need to be like in the woods, There's a lot of water, but there's a lot of flowers coming up. All the daffodils are definitely up everywhere, and trout lilies, and the bluebells are coming along. We just need some sunshine for the bluebells to open up. Yeah, I have a feeling this is going to be pretty wet. Oh well. So yeah, this property and this trail is kind of a new one for me to hike on. This is only the second time I've hiked on it, and the story behind it is that the woman who owned the land, apparently she passed away, and her children knew that she was a nature lover, and so they donated this hiking path to the public. So I think the town maintains it now, but it's a really nice trail. It's maybe a couple miles long, not far from my house, and it's nice. I can't wait to see what it looks like once everything really gets growing. It's funny to see like these little trout lily flowers just growing up right in the middle of the path. Okay, I gotta get through this big mud hole. Go slow, I don't want you to splash all that water up on top of you. Yeah, you kind of can't avoid mud this time of year. Oh well. Dogs were cooped up yesterday, and I just needed to get them out, so hopefully we'll run into some water on our way back down through, and they can kind of clean off their feet. Oh, cool. Look at that. There's another one. goat. Oh, dear prince. Oh, there's the sun. There you are, poking out. We haven't seen the sun much in the last week. Look at this. Shagbark hickory. It's a big one. Cool. Oh, it's still going. It's a big one. Oh, there goes Siri's leaving without me. May pops are already coming up, and it's not even May yet. Or May apples, or whatever you want to call them. There's some more over there. And then, move out of the way. And then you got trout lilies right in the middle of the path. Cool. Just gotta get through this muddy part. Oh, yeah, Lainey goes right through the mud. The boys are smarter than that. And they go around. So apparently somebody else must own that land over there, because there's posted signs all over the place. Bunch of ramps. I've already foraged my ramps for the year, for this spring. There's so many of these spring beauties out. Oh, and bees too, look at that. Oh, it must be people don't walk this trail as much, very much, because there's an awful lot growing right here in the walking path, which is kind of unusual. So maybe people don't really walk here that much. It's a shame. It's a beautiful trail. And this path is lined with spring beauties, you know? All the way alongside the path. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see as summer rolls around if this path is busy or not. I know the meadow is very busy. Yeah, see, like, look at this. They wouldn't be growing. I can't imagine they'd be growing right here in the middle of the path if people walked here a lot. Getting near the end. Look at all the silver birch over there. It's like a big field of wetland. It's amazing. I wish I owned a big chunk of land like this, but I suppose there'd be a lot of maintenance on it to go out and, you know, cut fallen trees off trails and stuff like that. I just love all these woods, you know. We must be getting near the end of the trail because I can start to hear road noise now. So this is near the end of the trail, and the people I think that own this land, Siri, come here, that own this land live in that house right there. Shh. I think. I don't know, but there's a house like we're gonna come up to. I don't know, I'm just assuming that this house that's up here is what owns all this land over here. So, yeah, it's nice back there in the woods though. Anyway, we're almost back, and I will catch you back in the car. Yeah, so that's the end of that walk. It is starting to rain again, and I heard thunder. It's weird. At first I thought maybe it was like big trucks on the expressway or something, but no, there was a guy out here and mowing or something. I don't know why, because it's raining out, but anyway, yeah, that's the end of that walk. Now I guess I'm gonna go home and I don't know, do something. I walked the dogs through a mud puddle, puddle to try to clean their feet off a little bit. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this walk, and I will catch you on the next one. Happy Sunday.